we'll use a small number of tools to assist us with React development. First off, you need to make sure that you have Node.js downloaded onto your systems. For Mac users, simply go to nodejs.org and find the home link. In Home, download Node version 6.9.4, the one recommended for most users, or the recommended download that is currently on Node.js. Now, if you don't use a Mac system, not to worry. Head to Downloads and find the link relevant to your platform. Whether you need the Windows installer or the Linux installer, Node has it for you. Once a package has finished downloading, open it. You should find a series of steps for Node to fully install on your computer. Continue through the introduction, continue through the license, go ahead and accept everything, then go ahead and type your password. Once you're done, you should see that Node.js was installed at a certain location on your computer. Usually it's user local/bin, which is the global one in the path environment. Just open up the terminal, and an easy way to open up the terminal on a Mac system is to press Command Space, which opens the Spotlight feature. And go ahead and press TERM, and then as soon as you see the terminal icon pop up, press Enter, and boom, the terminal launches. For those of you new to the terminal, you can basically think of it as a type version of Finder or the folder explorer on your system. We can navigate through folders or directories by typing CD, which stands for change directory, so I'll change to my coding directory. Now I will navigate to another directory, one called test directory. Then I'll type ls, which stands for list, and then you can see all the contents that are currently in there. Just as you would with the Finder, you could see files and other folders as well. So go ahead and press clear to clear all those contents. Type CD to navigate back to the home directory. I'll clear once again. And now we want to check if Node actually installed correctly. Type node-v with a space in between. And then you should see your version number, which for me is 6.9.4, the current version. And then also type npmv. You should see a version higher than 3. And npm automatically ships with Node. npm primarily installs modules or packages within Node. We'll use a lot of npm in this course, so you'll continue to learn all about it. Next, let's install our first tool with npm. Head back to your browser, go to Google and search Create React App. Go ahead and find the first GitHub link that pops up, and you should find a project that looks just like this. Create React App is perfect for students just starting with React because it allows us to simply focus on the React code, run our projects right away, and see any errors we make automatically reflect in our running applications as we build in the process. So scroll down and we'll find their installation instructions right over here. You notice that in order to install Create React App, we can simply use npm. So npm install g create react app. Head back to your terminal and we'll run that command right now. Let's do npm install g, which stands for global, create react app. Awesome. Your output should look like this in the terminal. So before we actually create our first application, we'll need to install a code editor. And if you already have one, you can skip the next video. But if you want to install a new one, or you have to install your first one, like Atom for example, or Sublime, then the next video might be worth your while.